Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by drawing one chord. Take your straight edge and draw a neat line between 2 points on the circumference. Label them A and B. Once done, set your compass to more than half the chord length. This ensures the perpendicular bisector will cross the circle interior. Make sure to keep the compass width steady. Small slips change the bisector. If the chord is faint, retrace it now, because a precise chord makes the next constructions far easier and more reliable. Now you construct the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. Place the compass at A, draw an arc above and below the chord. Without changing width, repeat from B so the arcs intersect twice. Connect those two intersections with your straight edge. That line is the perpendicular bisector and passes through the circle center. Repeat the whole procedure with a different chord, ideally at an oblique angle. Doing two bisectors lets you find their crossing point. This intersection is crucial, so be deliberate and steady. Finally, where the two perpendicular bisectors cross is your circle center. Mark it clearly. To confirm, place the compass point on that mark and adjust to reach the circumference at any point. Draw a test circle or check distances to several points. They should match. If radii differ, one bisector was off. Retrace its arc construction and reconnect intersections, then redo. If the bisectors are nearly parallel, pick a different second chord and repeat. This avoids large angular errors and secures an accurate center.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.